Shalom, and welcome to another episode of Our Israel Lives. For the ones who are new to the channel, this channel is about health and healing. I just got finished with my 3-day cleanse and breaking my fast today. I've decided to continue raw for a undisclosed amount of time, depending on how my body feel. If I decide to stay raw, then that's another thing. But I am going to share with you what I broke my fast with. I actually broke it with some pomegranate, a fresh pomegranate, and I have a smoothie that I just made, and I have a raw vegan pasta that I'm preparing for you. And I'm preparing the salad as well, but that'll be 2 different episodes. So you want to stay tuned for both of those. But anyway, I do feel really good. I really do. But I'm not feeling the way I used to after I finished the cleanse. I used to, when I finish it, I absolutely felt like Superwoman. Today I'm feeling like Supergirl. So there must be some things going on a little deeper than maybe I anticipated. So I'm just going to continue raw until my body says, eat cooked food. Okay, guys. So I hope that you do your research in doing this cleanse. Talk to your physicians. But it is amazing cleanse. My husband is on it right now. So we decided to do it not at the same time. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Shalom. Okay, guys, so here is my papaya and berry smoothie. It was so refreshing coming off of the fast. Now here you see me preparing the zucchini pasta. I went ahead on and cut the skins off my zucchini because they are not organic. So I cut the skin off, and now you see me spiraling the pasta. Now what you're going to see next is me putting all of the different ingredients in the pasta. And what I'm going to do, I want to get the cooked taste, or texture rather. So I'm going to use lemon juice to help break down the food to make it a little softer. If you want to have it raw, skip the lemon stage. It's raw anyway, but if you like the raw crunchy feel, then skip the lemon, okay? But if you want it to break down a little bit and be a little softer, almost as if you cooked it, but not quite, you can do the lemon process. Now here you see me putting all of my ingredients in because I want them to cook in with the noodles, okay? So I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video, but please look at the videos to come to see how the sauce was made.